Woo! I just did this workout and it was a challenge. I really worked up a sweat in just 15 minutes. I really did work up a good sweat, y'all. So I am Coach Shiftney. If you are new to my channel, I have been gone for a couple years. You'll have to see my other video. I'll post that in a few weeks or so about what happened. But I've been gone, I've been sedentary. And so this is me like getting back with it on my fitness health journey. So if you are like me and you want to get on this health journey, let's do it together. Come with me. Let's do this. So maybe you haven't worked out in a while. This is a perfect video to start with. It is not that hard. It's pretty easy. But, for me, it was a challenge actually because I haven't been working out. So what I got to say to you is this. It is like 40 minutes of us busting a move and then not 40 minutes. What am I saying? Not 40 minutes. It is 40 seconds where we will bust a move, and then 20 seconds we are going to walk in place. So if there's any move that you just don't like it, or it's too funky, or you can't do it right now, that's okay. It doesn't matter. Just keep walking, keep on moving. The important thing is that you are here, we are walking together, and you are getting started. And so it's all good. Just 15 minutes, keep on moving. Make sure you drink water. You may need a towel because I'm telling you, you might catch a sweat. I will tell you what, I am going to make this my new goal for this week. I am going to wake up 20 minutes earlier each day and do this workout. It's only 15 minutes, but I say wake up 20 minutes. Gives you time to brush your teeth, whatever, put your shoes on. Let's go. 15 minutes at home, no excuse, every day this week. And then let's see how you feel. Come back and tell me how you feel a week from now after you've done it for 7 days in a row. I will let you know how I feel. All right, you ready? Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm so glad you joined me today. This was awesome. Thank you for working out with me. How do you feel? Amazing, I hope. When you think about how good you feel, don't you want to do this every day, right? All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. And please go ahead and like it, share, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Heartstrong Sisterhood. That's what's up. Peace. All right. See you tomorrow. You ready? Let's go.